is good to see that they are slowly making that recovery, especially as we get to colder weather, as fall is officially here and as it settles in here in northwest Missouri.
Yeah, I mean, we've had some nice weather these last few days, Dane, but we do have a cold front that is going to be pushing through as we go throughout the day today. The time is 5:45. As you are beginning your Thursday, we are waking up to some fair weather cumulus clouds across St. Joseph overlooking our KQ2 tower camera this morning. Now it's nice and mild for now, but big changes are heading our way. Currently right now in St. Joseph, temperatures are at 63 degrees. Dew point is at 63 as well, and usually when the temperature and dew point meet up, it's going to allow the humidity to be at 100%, and with the calm winds, it is the right ingredients for some mist and some fog to form. I haven't gotten any reports of that yet this morning. Pressure is holding steady at 29.87 inches. So here's a quick look at our visibility map. It's showing perfect visibility levels all across the board in St. Joseph down on I-29 into Kansas City. There is a little bit of mist forming out to our west, so if you do run into some low visibilities on your way to work and school this morning, you'll want to take your time and slow down on the roads. Now again, we have been getting a southerly flow of winds over the last several hours. That's why we're waking up this morning mostly in the lower to middle 60s, but I want you to pay attention to these wind barbs right near Rockport and Falls City. Notice how it's switching up to the northwest. This is signifying where our cold front is, and this is going to be pushing through over the next several hours, which is going to bring many changes to our weather. Number one, it's going to bring in rain chances. I'm going for a 60% chance of rain today. Number two, it is going to bring in breezy conditions as our winds are going to switch up from the south to the northwest. And number three, it's going to usher in much cooler air to the region. We're waking up right now to some quiet conditions and fair weather clouds right now on our KQ2 Tri-State 4 camera in Maryville this morning. Now, mostly we've had some thin clouds. Now, there has been a little bit of green color showing up on our KQ2 high resolution max satellite and radar this morning. This is signifying ground clutter. This is not signifying rain, but that is going to change very shortly as we're going to be having all of this activity. You see all of that moderate to heavy rain over Nebraska and South Dakota right now. That is all going to be heading in our direction thanks to our cold front that right now is going to be starting to push into northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas over the next several hours. So I am expecting temperatures to quickly dip into the 60s heading into the afternoon once we approach the 70s heading into the lunchtime hour, and then our winds are going to switch up to the north, allowing for the cooler air to move in. High pressure is set to move in heading into our Wednesday, so we're going to see dry, sunny conditions, but man, is it going to be chilly by this time tomorrow night. So let me go ahead and give you the complete breakdown of what I'm expecting for today. First, with our hour-by-hour forecast with our rain chances. Again, I'm expecting the clouds to continue to increase. The cold front should start moving in sometime by the noontime hour. St. Joseph, I am expecting us just to see maybe some cloud cover while Atchison into the I-35 corridor. You could see some light rain, some heavier rain over Rockport and Falls City, indicated by the darker green colors. It will push through very quickly by 5 o'clock, and then heading into the 9 o'clock hour, everything should start clearing out. The northwest winds will really pick up, and that will allow the temperatures to start dropping with the cooler, drier air moving in. So those are the rain chances. Here's the second part, the winds. Notice how it's right now coming in from the south, right now sustained at 10 to 15 miles per hour. When the cold front starts pushing through by the noontime hour, you can see those winds already switching up to the northwest, sustained at 10 to 20, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Once it pushes through St. Joseph in the afternoon, you can really expect the winds to start picking up, sustaining at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 25, coming in from the northwest. And then here we go with the temperatures. This is the other thing I'm going to tell you about. Like I said, by this time tomorrow morning, we're really going to be chilly. Right now, we're in the lower to middle 60s. Heading into the late morning, I'm expecting us to get into the lower to middle 70s. Now, before the cold front pushes through St. Joseph around 1 o'clock, I am expecting temperatures to get up to our high of 74 before the cold front pushes through, and then we'll already be in the 60s as you head home from work and school. Look at this by tomorrow morning. Middle 40s. So you'll definitely need the heavy coat and jacket as you're heading out the door to work and school for your Wednesday. So here's a quick look at your allergy report. I am expecting low amounts of some grass, some weeds, and tree mold pollen. Ragweed pollen, it's going to be very high. And here's a quick look at your KQ2 5 to 7 day forecast. Again, I'm expecting much better weather for the second half of the work week, but it is going to be cooler with those below average temperatures heading into Friday. We're supposed to be at 76 degrees for this time of the year, so it's definitely going to be below average, but very nice and fall-like before another cold front pushes through heading into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, giving us rain chances